Alright, we're all clean and we're ready for the base coat of paint. We're going to go to another location and do that where there's no wind. And I just finished cleaning off the engine bay and all the dust and stuff off of the hood. So hopefully it goes well. Okay, so it's been about a week since I put the hood scoop on and done everything to it, and I kind of like it. It looks good. I did have to strengthen it up a bit. I went and got some aluminum L metal at Home Depot and just kind of riveted on there. I did both of the center vents. I would like to do both of the outside vents just to straighten them up, but it's pretty good. I would like to coat the underside of the hood with something other than black spray paint, but not important right now. It did strengthen the center vents up a lot though, so I will be doing that to the outside ones. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see any other videos on the car, go ahead and check my videos out on my channel. Also, click that like and subscribe button. If you like this video, let me know. Anything I can do different, comment down below, and I've got some links in the description for Facebook and Instagram if you want to see pictures and stuff like that and just kind of see what I do around the shop. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.